In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the inverted head and shoulders chart pattern, quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get this pattern onto your Tradingview chart without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have a chart open for the asset you want to analyze. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar with several options. Look for the button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where Tradingview keeps all of its built-in tools and custom scripts. Once that window is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search field and type the word head. You don't need to type the full name of the pattern. Just head is enough to bring up all related tools. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the list of indicators and patterns that match your search term. So you should start seeing different head and shoulders tools appear. In the search results, look for Inverted Head and Shoulders Chart Pattern. This is the tool that will help you quickly spot and mark a bullish reversal setup on your chart, where price makes a low, then an even lower low, and then a higher low, forming that classic inverted structure. Once you see it in the list, click on Inverted Head and Shoulders. As soon as you do that, Tradingview will add the pattern tool to your chart and begin scanning for that formation based on its built-in criteria. From here, you can hover over the pattern on your chart to see the neckline, the shoulders, and the head more clearly. You can zoom in or out to get a better perspective, and if you want to customize your view, you can also open the settings for this tool to adjust colors or visibility. Remember, this pattern is just one piece of your analysis. It works best when combined with other tools like support and resistance, volume, and overall trend direction. If you plan on using this pattern regularly and you want more advanced charting features, consider upgrading your Tradingview account using my affiliate link in the description below. That helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks additional tools, more alerts, and extra layouts that can make your technical analysis workflow smoother and more efficient. That's all you need to add the inverted head and shoulders chart pattern in Tradingview quickly and easily.